The next iPhone 15 Pro's performance has significantly improved according to the benchmarks that have leaked. The recently leaked benchmark results from Naveen Techwala provided further details about the iPhone 15 Pro's actual capabilities. The benchmarking numbers that Naveen Techwala claims to have for the iPhone 15 Pro with the A17 Bionics are really amazing and significantly outperform those of the iPhone 14 Pro. The iPhone 15 Pro received a single-core score of 3,269 and a multi-core score of 7,666, despite the numbers deviating from a previous iPhone 15 Pro benchmark leak. Additionally, according to the information, the chip would have 6 CPU cores with a maximum clock speed of 3.7 GHz. The score sheet looks to be from a Geekbench test. Although the Mavian doesn't specifically name the benchmarking program used, it is probably Geekbench 6 in light of comparisons to past leaks. The previous leak reported that the iPhone 15 Pro scored 2,317 for single-core and 6,750 on multi-core in Geekbench 5, while recording 3,019 for single-core and 7,860 for multi-core in Geekbench 6. These most recent figures show a modest improvement in single-core performance but a tiny decline in multi-core performance. In comparison, the iPhone 14 Pro achieved single-core and multi-core Geekbench 6 scores of 2,557 and 6,777, respectively, or 1,891 and 5,469 using Geekbench 5. Regardless of your point of view, these results herald a significant improvement for the iPhone 15 Pro. The 17 Bionic chipset is expected to be the first and currently the only mobile chip manufactured using a 3nm process, making it significantly smaller and taller than the 16 Bionic and 5nm chips found in the best Android phones. Although Apple hasn't made any official announcements regarding the 17 Bionic chipset, rumors provide insight into the source of this added prowess. The 3mm process, according to the manufacturer TSMC, may increase efficiency by around 35%. This process is known to provide improved chip efficiency. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.